Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nika Rizkasari. In this video, I would like to present my research proposal, the title, The Effect of Peer Review Technique on 11th grade student Writing Achievement View from Their Writing Motivation at Senior High School in Palembang. In this study, discuss the use of peer review technique in teaching writing and its relationship with student writing motivation and writing achievement. Okay, move to the background. Writing is an important skill in learning English because students use writing to express ideas, opinions, and informations. However, many students still have difficulties in writing. Their writing is often not well organized, contains grammatical errors, and show limited vocabulary. Previous study mostly focuses on first years or 10th grade students. Therefore, this study focused on 11th grade students and also examines writing motivation as an additional factor. Because often, the research want to investigate whether peer review techniques can improve student writing achievement. Okay, next to research problem. This study has three research problems. The first is there a significant difference in writing achievement between students using peer review technique and students using teacher strategy methods. And the second, is there a significant difference between students with high writing motivation and students with low writing motivation? And the third, is there an interaction effect between teaching technique and writing motivation on student writing achievement? Okay, next research objective. Based on the research problem, this study has three objectives. The first, to find out whether peer review technique affects student writing achievement. And the second, to investigate whether students with high motivation achieve better writing results than students with low motivations. The third, to examine the interaction effect between teaching technique and writing motivations. Okay, next is significance of the research. This study is expected to give theoretical and practical contributions. Theoretically, this research can support English teaching theories, especially in teaching writing skill. Practically, this study is useful for teachers, students, future researchers. For teacher, peer review can become an effective teaching strategy. For students, it can help improve writing achievement and motivation. For future researchers, this study can be used as reference for related researchers. Okay, next is literature review. This slide explains the theories related to the study. The literature review include definition of writing, types of writing, writing achievement, peer review strategies, procedure of peer review, strength and weakness of peer review, and previous related study. These theories help support the framework of this research. Okay, the next is previous related studies. There are three previous related studies. The first study by Hidayati found the peer review improves student motivation and writing skill. The second study by Setiana. So, peer review have more effective than think pair research strategy. The third study by Sartika and Aryani found that peer review improves student writing achievement. The studies support the idea the peer review technique can positively affect writing skill. Okay, the next is hypothesis testing. Based on the study, their hypothesis was formulated the null hypothesis HO and the alternative hypothesis HA. HA1 is there a significant difference in writing achievement between 11th grade students using the peer review technique and those using the teaching strategy methods at a senior high school in Palembang. HO1, there is no significant difference in writing achievement between 11th grade students using peer review technique and those taught using the teacher strategy method at a senior high school in Palembang. And HO2, is there a significant difference in writing achievement between 11th grade students with high and low writing motivation at a senior high school in Palembang? HO2, there is no significant difference in writing achievement between 11th grade students writing high and low writing motivation at the senior high school in Palembang. HA3, is there a significant interaction effect between teaching techniques, peer review technique versus teaching strategy method and student writing motivation high and low on 11th grade student writing achievement at a senior high school in Palembang? HA3, there is no significant interaction effect between teaching technique, peer review technique versus teaching strategy method and student writing motivation high versus low on 11th grade student writing achievement at the senior high school in Palembang. Okay, the next is variable descriptions. This slide explains the four groups in the vectorial design. A1, B1, is students start using teacher strategy with low motivations. A1, B2 is students start using teacher strategy with high motivation. A2, B1 is students start using peer review with low motivations. A2, B2 is students start using peer review with high motivation. These groups are compared to analyze student writing achievements. Okay, the next is setting populations and samples. This study will be conducted at MAN 2 Palembang. The population is all 11 grade students with a total of 261 students. The sample will be selected using convenient sampling technique. There will be 2 classes, one of experiments class and one control class. The next is operational definition. Writing is defined as the ability to express idea in writing form. Peer review strategies is a collaborative effective where students give feedback to each other writing. Writing motivation refers to student willingness and encouragement to participate in writing activities. The next instruments. This study used 2 instruments, writing test and writing motivation questionnaire. The writing test include pre-test and post-test to measure student writing achievement. The questionnaire is adapted for Ling and co-linguists and use a 5-point Likert scales. Okay, the next is validity. The writing test uses content validity to lecture validate the test, including instruction, topic, and scoring rubrics. Meanwhile, the questionnaire was adopted from a previous validated instrument, so it is considered valid for this research. The next is reliability. Reliability measures the consistency of the instrument. The writing test uses inter-writer reliability involving 2 assessors. The questionnaire uses scorecards (ALPA) to measure internal consistency. The results show the instruments are reliable. Okay, the next is procedure of collecting data. This study consists of 20 meetings, 1 pre-test, 10 treatment, and 1 post-test. In the experiment group, students learn reading through peer review activities such as drafting, giving feedback, and revising text. These activities are expected to improve student writing quality. Okay, the next is data analysis methods. Descriptive statistics are used to summarize the data. The analysis include mean, minimum score, maximum score, and standard deviations. This analysis helps compare the results between groups. The next is prerequisite analysis. Before hypothesis testing, the researchers conduct normality and homogeneity tests. The normality test uses Shapiro-Wilk test. The homogeneity test checks whether the data are homogeneous. If the significant value is above 0 to 0.5, the data are considered normal and homogeneous. The next is hypothesis testing. This study used 2 white ANOVA for hypothesis testing. This analysis is used to examine the effect of the teaching technique and effect of writing motivation and the interaction effect between both variables. The significant level used is 0.05. Okay, the next is conclusion. In conclusion, this study investigated the effect of peer review technique and writing motivation on student writing achievement. The study used a quantitative experiment designed with writing test and questionnaire as an instrument. The data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics and 2 white ANOVA. The research hopes this study can provide useful contribution to English teaching, especially in teaching writing. Okay, that is all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.